Welcome to Facts Exploration. The human body is full of mysteries, but some people possess abilities that seem impossible. Science struggles to explain how these powers exist, yet they are very real. Today, we uncover the 10 weirdest human abilities that defy logic. 10. The man who doesn't sleep. For most people, sleep is essential. But a man named Thai Ngoc from Vietnam claims he has not slept since 1973. That's over 50 years without a single night of rest. Despite this, he experiences no health problems. Doctors have studied him, but no one can explain how he survives without sleep. 9. Superhuman memory, the people who never forget. Imagine remembering every detail of your life as if it happened yesterday. People with highly superior autobiographical memory, or HSAM, can recall every moment of their lives with perfect accuracy. They remember dates, conversations, and even what they ate years ago. Scientists can see differences in their brains but still don't know why this ability exists. 8. Seeing without eyes, the people with blind vision. Some blind people can navigate obstacles without using their other senses. Known as blind sight, this rare phenomenon allows people with damaged visual cortexes to detect movement and shapes, even though they cannot see in the traditional sense. It suggests there may be hidden pathways in the brain that allow sight without vision. 7. The human magnet, people who attract metal. Some individuals claim their bodies generate a magnetic force strong enough to hold metal objects like spoons and phones. While skeptics believe it's due to sticky skin or body heat, there are cases where metal sticks in ways that can't be easily explained. Is it static electricity, a rare biological phenomenon, or something else entirely? 6. The fireproof human, people who resist extreme heat. Some people can walk across burning coals or hold scorching hot metal without injury. Wim Hof, also known as the Iceman, has withstood extreme cold and heat with minimal effect. Scientists believe this could be due to mind control over body temperature, but no one fully understands how it works. 5. Superhuman strength in moments of danger. There are countless stories of people lifting cars or bending metal during life or death situations. This is known as hysterical strength, and it happens when the brain removes physical limitations. Scientists believe adrenaline plays a role, but no one knows how the body suddenly unlocks strength that should be impossible. 4. Electrosensitivity, the people who feel electricity. Some people claim they can sense electrical fields from appliances, power lines, and even lightning storms. A few individuals even conduct electricity without harm, lighting up bulbs with their bare hands. Science has no clear explanation for why some people seem to interact with electricity in a way that others cannot. 3. The human echolocation, seeing with sound. Some blind individuals can navigate by making clicking sounds with their mouths, similar to how bats and dolphins use echolocation. Their brains turn echoes into a mental image of the world around them. This ability is not taught, and science still cannot fully explain how their brains process sound as vision. 2. The man who feels no pain. A rare condition called congenital insensitivity to pain allows some people to feel no physical pain at all. While this may sound like a superpower, it is also dangerous, as they may not realize when they are seriously injured. Scientists have found some genetic mutations related to this ability, but how it truly works remains a mystery. 1. The sixth sense, the ability to predict the future. Many people report sensing danger moments before it happens. Some have premonitions of disasters or feel strong instincts that save their lives. Studies show that the human brain can pick up on tiny subconscious clues, but this does not fully explain how some predictions come true with terrifying accuracy. Is it intuition, hidden brain power, or something beyond science? The human body is full of unexplained mysteries. These strange abilities challenge everything we know about science and the limits of the mind. Which of these powers do you wish you had? Let us know in the comments, and if you love uncovering the world's strangest facts, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you for being here with us.